Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today I am making garlic minty boondi. For this here I have taken 1 cup of boondi and I have soaked this in the warm water till it is tender. Then I have drained out the water. Now this is tender and this is ready to be used. Half cup of water, 1 teaspoon of dried mint leaves, half teaspoon of garlic powder and 1 teaspoon of chaat masala. I am not adding salt, but if you want you can add in salt also. And here I have taken 1 cup of yogurt. Now first of all I'll whisk the curd till it is smooth and lump free. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now here I have whisked the curd. This is smooth and lump free. Now I will add in water. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And these spices: chaat masala, garlic and dried mint. And if you are using salt, then add the salt at this stage. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now mix them. Now here I have whisked together curd, water, chaat masala, garlic powder and mint. Now the sauce is ready. Now I will add in this boondi. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now mix this, and at this stage this is done. Very simple, quick and easy. Minty garlic boondi is ready to be served. I hope you like this video. See you soon in my next video inshallah. Till then, fi amanullah, take care and Allah Hafiz.